Caitlin, thank you for that. She's never reacted to the same as to mold after the mold session. She still feels like some exposure symptoms, but it's not gripping at your core at all. After, it sounds like you tried lots of supplements and none of them worked. So that's great. I know when there's fungus in my environment and it doesn't affect me at all anymore either. You might just, let's see, Caitlin, would it be beneficial to repeat the mold session one more time? Because there might be still some things within you that are resonating at the frequency of the mold that are allowing it to attach on. I say it all the time, but if we were pure light bodies, nothing could attach to us that was a lower vibration. Just like my son, he was having severe coughing when he was stuck in the 2nd dimension, pulled him up to the 5th. He was even able to go skiing and he did pretty good. He's coughing again today and I haven't had time to work on him since he got home right before I went live.